Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, and my fellow friends. I am Triti Adhikari from class 9A, representing from Blue House. Our topic is best out of waste. The materials I will be using are paper cups, Fevicol, jute ropes, CD disc, braid cutters, a designful rope, and other accessories. First, we will be starting by cutting the upper part of the paper cup with the help of this blade. Which has come out of here, we will be using this to put it in the disc. Now we will be gluing these paper cups together. This may take a while because as the glue is wet, it will take some time for it to join together nicely. Let's keep this aside. Now with the disc, we will move on. This is the disc. I'll be putting this paper in this part of the disc. Now further on with the other part. Making a flower vase, if it is very useful for decorations, because if you buy plastic flowers, you can put it over here in this thing. You don't have to buy another flower vase to put your fake flowers. We will be gluing over here. It is all fixed up properly. Now we will be gluing this on the surface of the disc and on the whole part of this. So, glued it fully. I think you can see the jute rope. Now the same process I'll be doing in the whole cup, but before proceeding, I'll be using this rope on the surface, rounding the cup. This is what I have done. Now we'll continue with the jute rope until this full thing is finished. We are almost at the end. This is how much far I got. The last cup is this. So this is the end. We have come to the end. This is what it looks like. Now we will be having to decorate it with these stickers. One by one I will be putting them. What it looks like. You can keep your fake flowers like this. It looks nice for a decoration. many more things can be made out of waste like this. Thank you.
Hello there. Greetings of the day. Pranit Singh Koirala here from class 9A Julian School branch, Kolkata. I am from Blue House and today I have made a project of a multiple layered pen holder on the topic best out of waste. I have made this pen holder using cardboard, newspaper which are recycled and some glue. It took me 4 hours to make it today and I think it is a very useful project because for school going students it is very useful so they can store their stationeries and everything which helps them to study over here. And so this was my today's project. Thank you for watching.
My name is Abhinava Chaudhary from class 11 section A, Blue House. Today's topic is waste out of the waste. I have decided to cut out the piece of the plastic bottle and make a pen stand and also make the base for it from the unusable plastic lid. Make the design for the pen stand. We will take this design in sellotape and put it over here. To make a little bit more designing, we will put stars and leaves over it. Now we'll put this design on this plastic bottle. Last, our craft is ready, which we transform a plastic bottle into a pen stand, which turned a waste into the best. Now we can put different kinds of pens, pencils and rubbers in it and store it in our house.
So hello everyone, I'm Nairaj Shaha, I'm from Julian D School, Kolkata. Now I've tried to create an electrically generated vacuum cleaner. Now how and why does it work? I shall show it to you. Now for this I have used a battery source, a bed switch as you can see it properly, and a DC motor, simple DC motor using the fan blades, and a pipe, vacuum pipe. So for this, now let's do the working out here. Now it's basically based on the principle of that conversion of electrical energy into mechanical energy. Conversion of electrical energy into mechanical energy, it creates a negative pressure, and on the other hand it is very much time efficient and it is cost efficient as well. Now let us show it. As I'm switching it on, now it gets started, the DC motor rotates, and now it will work as a vacuum cleaner. Wait, see see. Can you see it? Yes. So therefore we can say that it can work as a vacuum cleaner. Okay, so from here it is very much time efficient on one point, and it creates a vacuum here. Now we know that as current is flowing through this conductor, which is placed normally across a magnetic field, it causes an induced force, as a result of which the DC motor rotates. And as the DC motor rotates, the fan blade also rotates, and it creates a suction force. Now how and why this suction force is being created? This is because there are certain holes at the back portion of which, due to which the fan is blowing and it is pulling inside the air due to a result of the pressure difference. Outside atmospheric pressure is greater, and inside a vacuum is being created by the fan, and it pulls in the air which draws out from the bottle through these holes. And therefore this is an electrically generated vacuum cleaner, which is cost efficient on one hand and time efficient as well. Thank you.
Hi, this is me, Srijita Maiti from class 9B. I have made this craft. I have reused the egg tray and decorated it with colors and small mirrors, pom-poms and beads. It is a wall-hanging craft.
Hello, my name is Warkab Mitra from class 9B, roll number 23. In our school, they gave us an assignment to make best from waste. So I made a box which we can use to put different kinds of accessories in this. I made the box using chocolate boxes, which we normally and usually throw away. So first I covered the whole box with paper to make it a little stronger, and then I covered the whole box with black paper, so as a covering. Then I made two holes here to make the handle, and then I decorated the handle with some jute rope. And also the excess jute rope which I had, I made the rim like this, so to make it a little bit more beautiful. And then I drew some flowers in here, so it looks a little better. We can put different kinds of accessories in it, like anything. For example, you can also put chocolates and other type of things in here. And that's it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shubhangi Badal, and I made an eco-friendly plant pot out of a plastic bottle.
Hello everyone, my name is Shain Laskar. I'm a student of Julian Day School, Kolkata of class 11B. I am very delighted to represent this craft work made up of waste material. In this craft work, I have utilized leftover colorful papers which I found inside my cupboard, along with glue, pencil, scissor, color pencils and a LED bulb, making it a home decor item using little creativity.
Hi, I am Akshaya Saraswat from Julian Day School. This is my Best from Waste video. I hope you like it. So for making this, we need some newspaper, the pot and the sellotape. So we have to use the sellotape and the paper to put the newspaper on the pot. After doing that, we will add another 2-3 layers and then paint it. And for decoration, we can also add some eyes and mouth using clay. After that, we can use it as a decoration in our house.
My name is Zayas and I'm from class 9A. I've made this pen stand by using with this Italian tiles which was used to renovate my house.
Good morning everyone, I am Asfa Jana from class 11A and I'm in greenhouse, and I'm going to show you something that I made out of waste. I made a pen stand out of a shoe box. I cut the shoe box in different pieces, and then I made a rectangular box, and then I made three, and I covered them with white paper, and then I made three of the boxes, and then I attached them to one single piece of cardboard. Then I decorated them a little bit with colors, and then I put my pens in it. So I made a pen stand out of a shoebox, making the best use of the waste that I had at home. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Devendra Sungupta of class 11A from Greenhouse. I've got a topic of waste from the way. So I created this product from a waste product called plastic bottle. Instead of disposing of a plastic bottle, I thought of creating something new and best from it. So here, this is a small plant pot which is used to keep a plant in it and in which it will help it grow. So this is one of the best ways to make out the best of something out of waste product.
Good evening everyone, my name is Shubhajit De, class 9C. Today I have made a craft work using thermocol plates and watercolors. I have made this to keep my stationery. By doing these small changes, we can increase our creativity and prevent pollution. Thank you all.
A very good day to everyone. I am Pathagata Banerjee from class 9A. We often see ourselves throw away things that can be used once again. Doing so is making the best out of waste. Today, I have made this beautiful stationery holder out of thermocol plates. This looks very presentable but is made out of waste. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Koena Bhattacharya from class 11A. Today I have made a flower vase using a plastic bottle. For making the flower vase, I have cut the plastic bottle into two and removed the upper part of the bottle, and then I have painted the bottle with red, green and blue colors, and I have also accessorized a different type of coloring, paper tapes, blue, green, yellow flowers, then some mirrors, and I've also painted the base of the bottle as white. I want to tell that we should all start making these types of bottles so that we can reuse the waste products in our house. We can also make different types of accessories at home using the bottles or using CDs, some decoratives. This can also help to decorate our house, as well as we can also keep our environment clean. We can reuse plastic. This will also help the marine animals, because as we know that plastic is gathering in the oceans also. So we need to take these types of steps so that our house, our environment is clean, and that's all. Thank you.
From class 11. I am from Yellow House. We have been given a project on topic based out of waste. I would like to start my speech by saying that it's our duty to keep our Mother Earth safe and clean from any harmful disease and harm effects that creates a mess to the earth. So to serve this environment, it's our duty to recycle or re-waste the wastage or disposal product. I have made these two items by using some easily available wastage product such as plastic bottle and glass, which are disposed. I have made this two pen stand by using plastic bottle, and I have made this by using plastic disposal glass. I have used colored papers, sketch pens, and with different colors of googly eyes and etc. Thank you.
Finally, at the conclusion of today's presentation,
I would like to express our gratitude to our Managing Trustee Ma'am, Mrs. S.E. Broughton. She has been a source of inspiration and a pillar of strength for all her students. I would like to say thank you to our beloved Chairman Sir, Mr. J.G. Broughton, who has been our pillar of confidence. A big and a special thanks to our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Colleen Smith, who have always encouraged the students to take part in every event. Thank you, ma'am, for showing faith in Yellow House and giving them this opportunity. Thank you to our Vice Principal Sir, Mr. Troy Frederick Ward, and our Junior Coordinator, Mr. Stanley Patchier Sir, for your help and support. Thank you to the Yellow House Master and Yellow House Mistress for working hours behind the students for this presentation. Last but not the least, thank you to all the students for your participation and contribution. Thank you from the entire Yellow House team for giving them this opportunity to work on the activity of Best Out of Waste and make it worth remembering. Thank you.